It's been a long process of waiting to make sure that we can uphold Judge Von Walker's ruling in the appeals process. And with today's ruling, we can actually move forward. We believe that in the end, the truth wins out. Judge Von Walker's ruling is based in the truth, and that someday we, as all other Americans, will be treated equally under the law.
It was an issue called standing, and whether the other side actually had uh, the legal authority to even appeal the ruling. And so when Proposition 8 was declared unconstitutional, and we won back in August of 2010, we've been in a continuous process of delays as the other side has continued to throw stall tactic after stall tactic up against the wall to see what sticks. And now that we finally have a ruling from the California Supreme Court, and we can be on a fast track now to finally getting Proposition 8 to be officially dead in California.
Well, today's ruling allows us to go back to the merits of the case, to actually take what we learned during the trial. We were successful in our pursuit of overturning this unconstitutional measure, and we can take those truths and we can push them forward in the process to make sure that we have a final statement that Prop 8 is unconstitutional and that every American should be treated equally.
It's important to focus on the merits because this case is based in truth, and the other side had the opportunity in a fair trial to put witnesses on the stand, and they chose to put two witnesses on the stand, and both ended up being strong witnesses for us. So when you're out there in a campaign and you can throw out lies and distortions and all these untruths to the people so that when they go into the voting booth, they are not aware of what Proposition 8 was actually doing, which was taking away our rights. Now that we can focus on those merits, it'll be an opportunity for the Ninth Circuit to uphold Judge Walker's decision that Proposition 8 is unconstitutional, and it's hanging by a thread.
You're always planning a wedding, aren't you? And you're in a relationship for over 10, well, we're pushing 11 years now. So I think that we've talked about every scenario of how it would work, and family members have asked. And so I think there's a constant process of, yes, what will this day be like for us when we're finally able to have it?
What do you think it'll be like?
Oh, well, our wedding initially was going to be a very quiet one on a beach in Hawaii.
I don't think this one will be as quiet.
No, I think now we have to have quite the party. It'll be quite the party.